Hey guys, let's see how to change the clock font on the iPhone lock screen. As you can see, I have my screen locked and here is the font for the clock. To change it, I just need to press and hold. Then you're gonna see that changes that way. And you just tap here on customize. And from here, you tap it again in the font and then you can change. You see that I have different font and colors. So you have 6 of them. You can just keep changing here the way you want. And you can also change here the color, the thickness, and the transparency of the font. Or you can even come here and change the type of font. It comes like this with Arabic Western, at least here in the US and other countries. Then you can change to a different font. You see here, depending on the country that you live in, you can change that way. Then if you want to come back to the Western one, you just select Arabic. And there we go, it's working. Then to finish, you just need to tap here on the main screen, hit done here on the top. And one more time, you tap on the middle of the screen and you're good to go. You have your locked screen with the new font. So super simple. I hope that helps. Leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, give me a thumbs up, and I see you in the next video.